Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other website. You can claim your free Digibyte from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. First of all, go to deposit, copy your Digibyte wallet orders from here, and after copying, come in this website link available in description. You can win up to 0.05 Digibyte every 3 minutes. This website pay you. Paste your Digibyte wallet address in here and just come down, just click login. Okay, after clicking login, you can see you login as your Digibyte wallet address link, and in here just solve this captcha. After clicking continue, solve this captcha. First of all, solve the hub capture in this captcha, hand capture. Okay, just solve it. It's too easy, not too hard. And after that, just click recapture, solve it, and just click verify capture to verify, and you can see this website send me my solution instantly to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay, go to overview to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. To this website send me my solution instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in the description. You can claim your free cryptocurrency, and bye bye for now.